Hi everyone and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the melody of the song No Roots. This is a pretty easy guitar riff to play, but the rhythm is a little bit tricky. And we're going to use only the 5th and the 6th strings in standard tuning. So just take your guitar and let's begin. To play the riff of this song, we are going to use only the 5th and the 6th strings. And we start with the index finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. Then we have an 8th rest, and we come to the 2nd fret of the 6th string. And then with the pinky finger we come to the 5th fret and back to the 2nd. Okay, to play this riff, the notes are not so difficult and not so fast, but the rhythm it's a little bit tricky, so pay a lot of attention to how the rhythm is. Okay, and now you see that line between those two number 2s. That's a tie, so they become just one. We play just one time that tone. So then we continue to the 5th fret that is also tied to another number 5. So we play just one time that 5. And back to the 2nd fret of the 5th string. That's the first beat of the 2nd measure. So when you play the first measure and the first beat of the 2nd measure, it sounds like this. Okay. Let's try that part together. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay, so we continue. In the 2nd measure, the rest that we have now, it's shorter than the one that we had in the 1st measure. So when we play that number 2 on the 6th string, we have to play that a little bit sooner. And we do again 5, 2, 5, and 2 in the 5th string. But the rhythm is not the same. So now I'm going to show the 1st measure, 2nd measure, and 1st beat of the 3rd measure. Pay attention to the rhythm. Okay, it's a little bit tricky, but it sounds really cool in the song. Okay, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that tone where we ended, the first beat of the 3rd measure, it's exactly the same as the 1st measure. So we play again. Okay, so then we have 1st measure, 2nd, 3rd, and 1st beat of the 4th measure. So I show you this part once, and then we try together. Okay, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and we can try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and okay. And now we play on the 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th fret, second fret, and now we move the index finger to the first fret and 6th string open. Okay, I'm going to show you how it sounds if I play from the 3rd measure. Also 3rd, 4th and first beat of the 5th measure. Okay, I show you one more time. Now I'm going to put together from the beginning. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th measure and first beat of the 5th measure. Let's try that one together. 1, 2, 3, and... I think that we can try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, so now we are in the 5th measure and we move back to the 2nd fret, 5th string, and we play 2nd fret on the 5th string, 6th string open 2 times, 2nd fret and 3rd. Okay, I'm going to show you from the measure 3. So I play 3rd, 4th, 5th and first beat of the 6th. Okay, I play that one more time. Okay, and then we arrive to the last measure of the intro, and we do 3rd fret, everything on the 6th string, 3rd, 5, 5, 2. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole intro. The first and the second lines are the intro. That's the intro. Let's try the whole intro together. Lines 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And then we arrive to the verse. The verse is exactly the same, but when we play that 6th measure from the intro, in the verse they play 2 extra measures that are exactly the same as the first and the second. I don't know if you understand what I mean. I'm going to show you one round of the verse. So I play from the 7th measure and I play those two lines. So it becomes measure 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now that you can play the intro, pay attention that I'm going to play 2 extra measures. And those are extra. Okay, and then we have to repeat this thing on the verse. I'm going to show you repeating one time, so I play those lines 2 times, and then we can try together. And then repeat. And that was 2 times. So now let's try together the verse, and we make a repeat. So we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and. And repeat. And that was No Roots. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my new videos, or you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter if you prefer. You can also visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials and their tabs. And if there's any song that you want to learn and you don't find it in my web, just write me a comment or send me an email, and I'm going to try to do a video lesson for you. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.